Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix a problem. So if you just receive problem when you're using your Instagram couldn't refresh feed, so how you can fix it? So mostly it happens because you just have problems with your internet connection. So first thing, just try to close your Instagram app and just open it again, and if it doesn't help you, just open the settings and just check your internet connection. So just open Wi-Fi, just turn it off and turn on again. Also you can do it with mobile data or cellular data, just turn off and turn on again. Also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait for a second and just turn it off. So after you can try to go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And the latest way you can try, just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Instagram, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Instagram. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.